on Z4. But as you can probably tell, we're not at Slide anymore, we're at Jason's shop. Clark Customs has just set up on his own. And yeah, the boys have been busy. While I've been working, Jason and John have been doing quite a lot of work on the car. John's been doing a bit of video, I'll add that in a sec. But I'll show you around Jason's shop first, some pretty good stuff in here. My car, Jason's car. Some sick Pro Mod Mustang drag car. This is where Jason's working. Say hello, Jace. Look at him, he's had his beard chopped off, he looks 10.
Like a young boy.
Yeah, there's some other old American truck down there. What are you doing at the minute, Jace?
Making a bracket for your power steering pump.
So, yeah. That's Jason's shop. And my car. So, yeah, you see Jason's made a exhaust system, comes out bonnet. Guys at L Performance hooked us up with all these braided brake lines, all the fuel lines, the oil lines. We've got a radiator in it now, oil cooler. Done a lot of work. But yeah, all the lines from L, all custom fitted. You see all the handbrake and stuff. Extinguishers plumbed in, batteries there ready to go in. Still a lot to do, but I'll show you what John's been up to while I've been at work.
Hello everyone, here at JC's unit, Clark Customs Fab, getting Adam's car ready for the drift season. As you can see, Jason's working away, doing the tubular front end on the car. I've been given the task to do Adam's car. As you can see, this they've given me, it's not very short. Still a hell of a lot to do on the car, but we're now getting there, getting all the pipe work ready. Just on with P-clipping it, all the pipes down, brake lines, fire extinguisher hosing, got the manifolds on, just a couple of alterations, then we need to get the radiator mounted, get a full exhaust system made up. All the kill switches all fitting nicely in there. Inside the car, just P-clipping down all the kill switches and the wires, and all the fire extinguishers over. Got his seat mounted all nice for him, and the brake bias valve on there. But still, lots to do. So, crack on. While Adam's tossing it off, at work, I'm climbing around his climbing frame inside the car. Not the comfortablest place to be. There's some P-clips on. And everything routed nicely and neatly. Like I say, not the most comfortablest place to get in and out of. Good look at him squeezing out in and out of there in 5-minute rolls. It's all busy, go at Clark Customs. Quick tour of the garage. Lots on, lots to do. As we know, BDC is fast approaching. So we're on with the British Drift Championship cars. Both slide cars. Well, two of them. Lots and lots of work to do. Jason's new fuel tank that he's made. Mr. Ball's new S15. Lots of work left to do on that. And Simo's car, while he's grafting at work, I'm grafting in his car. Morning, Adam. On your car again. Just drop the engine out so we can get your clutch fitted. Start the motor on, get all the clutch measured out and everything. Got a little battle getting that out on my own. Not far off, mate.
Well, that's what John were up to. But just show you what Jason's been doing with all the lines from Hell. Can't thank Hell Performance enough. Come on board, give us all the fittings, all the hoses that we need for the car. So yeah, I'll just show you now. So these are all the oil lines, all the AM fittings. Go through to the oil cooler. And this one goes through into the cab. Through to the Accu sump there. What are you doing down there, Jace? So this is Jace's little mount he's made.
Just enjoying myself.
Just mocking it up. See where he's going to cut it. Mount it. Look at this. Look at them for welds. You are?
What are you looking about?
I'm just making a video, mate. Showing everybody your lovely exhaust you made.
You and that camera.
Jace,
Yeah.
can you stop drilling holes in my new car?
Stop blowing holes in my shit. Oh, you ain't got a boat anymore.
Power steering pump nearly mounted. Hey up. What are you doing there, Jace?
Rather than using black for fuel line and then having to...
What are we doing now, Jace? What are these for? These lovely Hell lines.
The foot water lines. For header tank.
Yeah. Got Jace has modified the water pump and put nice AM fittings on. So then we'll run a line round here, round bulkhead, and we're going to make a pot up there. Got some lovely shots of your hands today.
My battered hands.
Jace, ride it like a cowboy. Give it one of them. So what's this, Jace?
This is my fucking world's best table saw in the world. Doing a job.
What you making?
Discs for end catch can.
So out of this, these, Jason's going to make us a, what's it called?
Header tank.
Header tank.
Header tank.
Yeah, we'll be welding them on there. Then we've got all these for AM fittings, for alt lines that go to radiator. Very posh, Jason. How cool does Jason look without a beard? So that's the pot all finished, what Jason's made. While I've been at work, he's mounted the coil packs there and there. Wrapped exhaust manifold. He's been busy boy. So that's about it for this video. Jason's just behind there. He's making me a new inlet for the car. So yeah, making that out of pie cuts and that, but I'll show you that in the next video. See you in a bit.